danke para sintonizar nosso programa semanal Rumbo de Nos Compás. Maneira tursimang me bisabo nos tem informação valiosa para compartilhar cubo de tudo o que nos ministro-presidente está fazendo para nos dois show. Esse man aqui nós também dedicar atenção na Bishita de ministro-presidente na Haiti. Depois que o presidente Martelli estava tendo na show, aí chega na diferente acordo. Qual agora toca turno na nosso ministro-presidente para visitar Haiti para cabe fortalecer o acordo na aqui. Me também acabo mira com ele chega guardo recebi e também com o dia a transcorrer ora ele chega a Haiti.
When the good relationship is there, we can do good things together as two governments.
Il y a des très bonnes relations, des relations fraternelles entre deux mondes, et bien ça bénéficie le gouvernement et ça bénéficie le pays. So I want to thank the Prime Minister for being here with us tonight. It's an honor and it's a pleasure for the Republic of Haiti to host you. Like I said in Creole, you received us with a hero's welcome in Curaçao, and we appreciate it from the bottom of our heart. And we're going to have different work sessions tomorrow. Tonight we're hosting a cocktail in your honor, and you are a genuine friend of Haiti and a distinguished guest, and we wish you the best, and we will do everything in our power to make you feel at home. This is your home, and we want to thank you for being here. We look forward to fruitful visits.
Thank you. Bonsoir. Good evening, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and as I got the good information and communication that you are now also the designated Prime Minister for the Republic of Haiti, I welcome you also on board, and we become official colleagues.
Thank you.
As Prime Ministers of our country. It's a pleasure being here in Haiti, and yes, we have work sessions tomorrow because this is a work visit. I've been indeed received with all the honors, as I see here in the Republic of Haiti, and we're here to help, give the helping hand to the country for the things we know how to do best, and to share, because that is the one intention we all have in life. As a young Prime Minister of a young country that became a country on 10th of October 2010, we have a lot of experience. We are a blessed country in the south of the Caribbean that does a lot of tourism. We do financial services, we do the refinery business, and we have learned to survive through good and bad times. And I think today is the time to share with the Republic of Haiti the good things we know and the things that can really help develop Haiti in a sustainable way, because that's the whole intention of life. Everything we leave behind, that it has a life of at least 50 or 100 years. So the decisions that you, my friend, the designated Prime Minister of Haiti, and my brother, mi hermano, my friend, President Martelli, the decisions you take have to cross the coming 100 years of existence of Haiti. And these have to be good, solid decisions, and that's what we are here for. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prime Minister. Encore une fois, nous remercions le Premier ministre qui a fait déplacement pour venir ici en Haïti aujourd'hui. Et encore une fois, peuple haïtien, nous demandons tout peuple haïtien, là nous le Premier ministre dans la rue, saluez-le, c'est un grand ami d'Haïti. Merci.
Merci. Thank you.
Bonsoir tout le monde, la presse, vous allez bien les amis?
That's Curaçao camera.
Oh, Curaçao. It's a real pleasure to receive here my friend, the Prime Minister of Curaçao, who gave us such a great welcome in his homeland, and also showed us the work that he's doing. And some of it is already being implemented here, copied. I expect tomorrow to surprise the Prime Minister. You know about it, right?
Good things in life have to be
yes.
copied.
That's right. That's right. And we're not ashamed of saying that we're copying, because if something is good, we need to duplicate. No need to create something else when it's good. And you must also admit that it's good. You're great, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you. Satellite link.
Durante e di 2 dias, nos ministro presidente tapat in differente Bishita na differente proyecto nang kuta tomando lugar na Haiti. Nos ministro dapat ter oportunidade também para mirar com Haiti a trabalhar num plano qual não vai desenvolver num bairro num PEC depois de tudo o que sucedeu algum ano atrás. Vamos por imaginar que o nosso ministro presidente quer impressionar e também riba a palavra que eu estava sentindo depois de mirar planos aqui e o desenvolvimento de bairro num área na Haiti.
Trying to learn from what have happened and what have been the right steps and the moves for you to do the day after. So for me, that is my learning process now, today, here in Haiti, and it is today in the morning that when you see the government palace and the 2 towers crumbled in, you understand that there was an earthquake here in Haiti. So that is a learning process to me, and it's very important for me to be prepared for good and the worst things that could happen to a country, and that's the reason I think at the end I get the answers why am I here today, and I'm here for that to be learned also. And I think you are at a crossroad when if you do it right from scratch, because you were brought to a zero status, you can do it better than any country that has it and has to change to go and reach the right standards and principles that have to be in a neighborhood. I think there's a couple of areas that you can build from scratch and you can do it the right way. Using the right technology, using the right way of construction, and using also the right way of creating energy, because everything starts with energy. As soon as you give energy to the city, you see that everything starts evolving.
Durante o seguinte dia, nosso ministro presidente, Sr. Gerrit Schotte, teve a oportunidade também para visitar o presidente Martelly no seu palácio de governação. Aqui não estava a conversar mais ou menos com outro, riba diferente tópico na abrir. Também depois da conversação, não sigue para uma apresentação que estava a ter mais peculiar chamada Cyber Tap Tap. Essa aqui é algo mais à parte que já na construí na Haiti e na apresentar essa aqui na ministro presidente e também na presidente Martelly. Depois da apresentação aqui, não sigue para bilateral que estava a suceder na Haiti no mesmo momento que o nosso ministro presidente estava de Bishita de trabalho.
The program will leave to build 11 cyber tap-tap, one per department plus one spare. On peut le faire travailler 20 jours par mois, 8 sessions par jour, 16 children per session, total 2,560 per department per month.
And so far, this is going to be the interior. You're going to have 8 students on this side, and you're going to have a desk here for the teacher. And that's going to be the interior. All of them are going to be shrink wrapped, full color. Solar panels are going to be mounted on top. They're going to be opening this way.
When you create the roof, you already have the screen, and it's an LED, so it consumes less energy.
The way we're doing your screen, we put a compressor with a hydraulic lift on it when it opens up.
Cette rencontre bilatérale, cet important sommet de la solidarité Haïti-Venezuela, les 2 et 3 mars 2012, est un témoignage de cette amitié indestructible et inébranlable entre les peuples haïtiens et vénézuéliens.
Ministro Porras, un placer de poder encontrarnos una vez más y aquí en Haití, no había mejor lugar. Celebramos el 5 de julio allá en Venezuela 200 años de independencia de la República Bolivariana y hoy aquí en Haití, donde hace 150 años comenzaron revoluciones que dejó que hoy la gente de la piel un poquito más oscura tenga la oportunidad de contribuir como cualquier persona en el mundo a que las comunidades, los países se desarrollen. Y creo que el próximo año que estamos celebrando en el 2013, we're celebrating in 2013 the 150 years of abolition of slavery. I think, and I said it, we're going to celebrate it very big in Curaçao because, as you know, the history of Curaçao is that Curaçao was the island to trade people 150 years ago. And we're not going to act as victims, but we're going to commemorate all the people that suffered through the years. And I have to accept that Haiti was one of the important role players in that difficult times, evil times, to disappear from the map of the world. So 2013 is the year of Haiti, where the revolution started. Simón Bolívar, Brion, and all the generals also from Haiti that fought the fight. And today we're talking about liberated countries.
Ya viernes noche, después de un día largo de trabajo, el presidente de Haiti, señor Martelly, ha invitado sorpresivamente a nuestro ministro presidente para un juego de fútbol. Essa aqui não é algo que você mira turbiar, pois me também larga como primícia desfrutar do rumo de nosso compás com o nosso ministro presidente estava tendo oportunidade de jogar futebol com o presidente de Haiti, senhor Martelly. Televidente, danke para sintonizar nosso programa Rumo de Nosso Compás, Jessima aqui também. Me espera bem a roupa informação e que você também desfrutar do programa aqui. Nós topa outra semana com mais informação de Rumo de Nosso Compás.